Cognitive distortions. The mind's trickery. Cognitive distortions are sneaky ways our mind convinces us of things that aren't true, reinforcing negative thinking and emotions. Recognizing these distortions is crucial for mental well-being. All or nothing thinking. Viewing things in black and white categories. If something isn't perfect, it's a failure. For example, making one mistake at work might make you think, I'm completely incompetent. Overgeneralization. Seeing one negative event as a never-ending pattern of defeat. If a friend cancels plans, you might think, no one ever wants to spend time with me. Mental filter. Dwelling on a single negative detail, darkening your entire perception. A small piece of criticism can overshadow all praise you've received. Disqualifying the positive. Dismissing good events. For instance, thinking, they're just being nice, instead of accepting a compliment. Jumping to conclusions. Making negative interpretations without evidence. This includes mind reading, assuming others think negatively about you, and fortune-telling, predicting things will turn out badly. Catastrophizing. Expecting the worst-case scenario. A headache might lead you to think, it's probably a brain tumor. Emotional reasoning. Believing your negative feelings reflect reality. Feeling insecure might make you think, I must be unlikable. Should statements. Criticizing yourself or others with shoulds. This leads to guilt and frustration, like thinking, I should always be successful. To combat cognitive distortions, identify them in your thoughts and challenge them by seeking evidence, considering alternative viewpoints, and practicing self-compassion. This helps break the cycle of negativity and fosters a healthier, more realistic perspective.